Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Cold weather can wreak havoc on a trailer truck's engine if it's not properly winterized. Freezing temperatures thicken fluids, strain batteries, and increase wear on critical components. Taking a few preventive steps now can save you from costly breakdowns and keep your rig running smoothly all season. Common cold weather issues like gelling fuel, cracked hoses, or weak starters are avoidable with the right preparation. Let's walk through the key steps to protect your engine and keep downtime to a minimum. Understanding the impact of winter on truck engines. Winter doesn't just make roads slippery, it also puts extra stress on your truck's engine. Cold temperatures change how fluids flow, how batteries perform, and even how metal parts contract. If you've ever felt stiff on a freezing morning, your truck's engine reacts the same way. Without preparation, these effects add up, leading to poor performance, breakdowns, and costly repairs. Cold weather and engine oil viscosity. Engine oil flows like syrup when temperatures drop below freezing. Thicker oil doesn't lubricate as well, forcing your engine to work harder during startup. What happens? Cold oil moves slower, delaying its path to critical engine parts like the pistons and bearings. This causes metal-on-metal friction in the first few seconds after ignition. The fix: switch to winter-grade oil with a lower viscosity rating, like 10W30 or 5W40 for extreme cold. The W stands for winter, meaning it flows faster in low temps. Check your owner's manual for the best grade. Some newer engines need synthetic blends for better cold performance. Diesel engines suffer the most because they rely on oil to warm up quickly. If your truck idles a lot in winter, thin oil protects it better from startup wear. Battery performance in freezing temperatures. A half-charged battery in summer might hold up, but in winter, it's a gamble. Cold saps battery power, sometimes cutting its strength in half. Why it struggles? Chemical reactions slow down in freezing weather, reducing the battery's ability to hold a charge. Even a healthy battery loses around 35% of its power at 0 deg and 18 deg. Add aging or corrosion, and it might not start at all. Prevent failure. Use a battery blanket or trickle charger overnight. Both keep the battery warm enough to deliver full power. Check terminals for corrosion. A mix of baking soda and water cleanse it off. If your battery's over 3 years old, test it before winter hits. Older trucks with worn starters have it worse. Cold makes every click slower, so weak batteries often fail when you need them most. Essential winterization steps for trailer truck engines. Winterizing your trailer truck's engine isn't just about avoiding breakdowns. It's about keeping your rig reliable when temperatures drop. Fluids thicken, rubber parts stiffen, and fuel systems fight freezing. A few proactive checks and swaps can make the difference between a smooth winter season and a roadside emergency. Switching to winter-grade fluids. Cold weather turns summer fluids into sluggish versions of themselves. Upgrading to winter-specific formulas keeps everything flowing. Antifreeze plus coolant standard mix might freeze in extreme cold. Check the ratio. A 50-50 blend of antifreeze and water usually works, but in harsh climates, adjust to 60-40 for extra protection. Test the freeze point with an antifreeze tester, about $10 at any auto shop. Windshield washer fluid. Summer fluid freezes on contact. Switch to a 30 deg, 34 degs rated formula that won't ice up your sprayers. Diesel fuel additives. Diesel NM2 gels at around 15 deg and 9 degs. Add an anti-gel treatment at every fill-up to prevent clogged filters. Some additives also tackle water contamination, which can freeze in fuel lines. Don't wait until the first freeze. Swap fluids when nighttime temps consistently hit the 40s, 4 degrees C. Inspecting and replacing belts and hoses. Cold turns rubber brittle, like an old rubber band that snaps when stretched. Belts and hoses under stress can fail without warning. Look for cracks or fraying on serpentine belts. Even small splits worsen fast in cold. Watch for bulges or soft spots in hoses, especially near clamps. Glazing. A shiny hardened surface on belts means they're slipping. Replace anything questionable. A $30 belt is cheaper than a frozen breakdown. For diesels, pay extra attention to the heater hoses. They're critical for warming up the cab and defrosting windows. Protecting the fuel system. Diesel engines hate cold. Gelled fuel starves the engine, while water in the system freezes into blockages. Use anti-gel additives religiously. They lower the fuel's cloud point, the temperature where wax crystals form. Pour it in before fueling so it mixes evenly. Drain water separators weekly. Diesel attracts moisture which settles in the fuel filter. Most trucks have a drain valve at the bottom. Crack it open until only fuel comes out. Consider a winter fuel blend if you're in extreme cold. Diesel number 1 or a number 1 HAM2 mix resists gelling better than standard number 2. Bonus tip, keep the tank at least half full to reduce condensation buildup inside. Water in the tank means ice in the fuel lines later. You've just learned the basics of preparing your truck for winter, but there's more to cover. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll go deeper into engine protection and maintenance tips. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.